Okay, good day everyone. Okay, this is the continuation of our lesson in HTML. So in our last lesson, we ended by using the anchor tag, using the href attribute. So in the href attribute, we learn how to move to a specific file so that when you click a link, you can open another web page using the href attribute. Just like in this example, in our example, we learned that if we open, let's say, open the second page, when we click open the second page, so you can move to the second page of your website. And before, this is our HTML files. The first one is HTML 101, which is the main page. And we create another web page, which is second page .html. Now, in this example, I created another link so that you can learn how to use an attribute name. The name attribute in anchor tag, this one. The name attribute in the anchor tag. So this attribute is used to name a portion of a same document or another document. This portion can then be linked by using href. So the syntax is anchor tag and then the attribute name, and then the name that you want to, whatever name you want, you can name it. Okay, I will give you an example of this now. Again, this is an attribute name of the anchor tag A, which is the anchor tag, and then the attribute name, and then you can name whatever you want. Whatever you want, you can name it. And then you can reference, let's say in this example, you can name it A1. So you can call this using the anchor tag, then followed by the href, and then the hashtag, and then the name of the reference attribute name, A1. So don't forget to insert a hashtag where the number sign or the hashtag in the href attribute defines a link to a named portion of the document. So if you want to move to a specific portion of your document, you can use the name attribute of the anchor tag. Okay, let's move to let's see how we can use this in our website. So here in this example, you can see my main page is I created a bunch of welcome to heading 1, welcome to heading 1. I created this just for the purpose of example so that you will learn how to use the attribute, the anchor tag name, the attribute name of the anchor tag. I created a bunch of welcome to heading 1 here. You can see there's a lot of welcome to heading 1 here. And then here at the below, you can see an anchor tag with an attribute name, and then equal to, so I name it my school photo. As I said, you can name whatever you want. So I made an anchor tag with an attribute name, and then the name, and then inside of the anchor tag, I created an image, roelschool.jpg, which is my photo, and then there's a width of 40% and the height of 40%. Now I want to call this name so that when I click, when I click this, when I click on the link, so the portion of the website will move here in this portion. Again, when I click on a link, I want to move in this portion of a website. So I can do this by calling here. You can see here, I made a link to my school photo. I made a paragraph tag here, and inside of a paragraph tag, I made an anchor tag. And then I reference my school photo, which is from here. You see, my school photo. But before that, I use the hashtag and then the name my school photo. And then the name of the link, go to my picture. And then once I close it, I close the anchor tag, and then I close the paragraph tag. So you can see it from here. Once I open it, as you can see, go to my picture. You can see here, go to my picture. So once I click this, go to my picture. So when I click this, so you can see that the portion of the website was open. As you can see, the portion of the website was open. So you can navigate to the portion of the website in a very short time. This is the use of anchor tag with an attribute name. Another example of a name attribute that I created here, I created a heading with name welcome to heading 1 red color. I created this just for the purpose of example so that you will learn how to use the name attribute in anchor tag. Then I will show you the command here at the bottom. As you can see here, here is the heading 1. And then in heading 1, there is an attribute name style so that you can give colors to your heading. So you can follow this this on how to make color to your heading. You can see here H1 is which is heading one, and then in H1 there is an attribute name style, and then inside color is equal to, so a colon means equal, color equals red, and then followed by a semicolon here. Don't forget to close this by a double quotation mark. Again, this is a style, which is, this is now a CSS. You can make color of your heading using this way. And then after that, I made an anchor tag here. Then again, I call the name attribute of the anchor tag. And then I name it h1-red. So I give a name h1-red. And then the heading 1 text, welcome to heading 1 red color. I close the anchor tag, and then I close the heading 1 tag. And then I can call this name. I can call this name here at the top. As you can see, I call them here h1-red. Where is h1-red? Here you can see I call h1-red. So I made a paragraph, and inside the paragraph I made an anchor tag, and then I reference the name here so that I can call them. So when I click on the link, the portion of that website will be open. So hashtag and then h1-red, and then the name of the link, go to heading 1 red color. Close the anchor tag and then close the paragraph tag. So when I click this, you can see here, go to heading 1 red color. So when I click this, so you can see once I click the link, the portion of this website was open. So this is how you can use name attribute. Another example is you can also use the name attribute to open the second page, to open another page with a specific portion of that second page. Let's say here I go to second page. I made this already, go to second page with a yellow paragraph. So here is the second page. As you can see, so how can we call them in the main document, in the main web page? So again, you can put the name here. You can make a name. So in this example, I made a paragraph with a style and a color of yellow. And then inside this paragraph, I made an anchor tag with a name p-yellow. And then I can call this name in the main web page. I can call this name in the main web page. Again, the name of this web page is second page.html. And the name of this anchor tag is p-yellow. So I can call this on the main web page. So how can I do that? Okay, let's move to the main page, which is HTML 101. And then I call them here. So here, as you can see, I call them using an href, an anchor tag with the href with the name of the second page, which is second page.html, followed by a hashtag and the name of the anchor tag, which is p-yellow. Here, as you can see, on the second page, that HTML, there is an attribute name p-yellow. So I want to call this portion of the anchor tag at the main document here. Okay, you need to write the name of the page, which is second page.html, followed by a hashtag and the name of the attribute p-yellow. And then I name it, go to second page with a yellow paragraph. Okay, let's test this. Once I click this, go to second page with a yellow paragraph. So as you can see, it moves to the second page with a yellow paragraph. As you can see, not on the top of the second page. It moves to the portion of the paragraph. It moves to the specific portion of the paragraph on the second page. This is how you can use the name attribute of the anchor tag. You can move back and forth from different portion of another web page or on the same page so that you can move easily. You can move easily. So as long as your web page is long, you can navigate to your website easily. You can move to the second page, to the third page. This is the use of anchor tag with a name attribute. Another attribute is a title. You can see this is a title, this title attribute in the anchor tag. So this attribute gives additional information that pops up when the mouse moves over it. So when you put your mouse on the link, there is additional information that pops up. Let's try this. Title attribute. So in the main page, I want to use on here. When I want to open the second page, so I can put a title here in the anchor tag. So I can make a message. Okay, go to. Okay, you can say go to second page. Okay, this will go to second page. This link will go to second page. Okay, don't forget to close it by a double quotation mark. title is equal to this link will go to second page. Again, once you save it, then when you try this, so when you hover, when you move your mouse to the link, you can see there is a message. This link will go to second page. This is the use of a title attribute in Anchor tab. Now, if I want to return to the main page, so you can do that by, if you are in the second page, and if you want to move, I want to make a link that once I click, it will move to the main page. So you can again make a paragraph here, and then make an anchor tag with an href is equal to html101.html. Okay, don't forget to close by double quotation mark, and then close the anchor tag, and then you can now make a message. Go to the main page. Close the anchor tag, and then close the paragraph tag. You can also remove the paragraph tag if you want only the message. No need to use a paragraph. An anchor tag is enough because there is a message already here. So you can now move to the main page. Once you click this, go to main page. You can move to the main page of your document. Okay, let's try. Okay, here you are in the main page, and then once you open the second page, as you can see here, go to the main page. So you can go to the main page by clicking on the link. This is how you can use an anchor tag in HTML. Thank you and see you again. Bye bye.